हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कन्वे आई एस पीसीएस। तो आज हम अपने इस सोशल साइकोलॉजी के सीरीज में हम लास्ट अभी एमसीक्यूज करेंगे जो हमारे एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। और फर्दर हम आज ये हमारा लास्ट वीडियो है सोशल साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट का। तो इसके बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हिस्ट्री, ठीक है, और उसके बाद पॉलिटी एंड देन इकोनॉमी। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यू से। तो आज हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक करेक्टली डिपिक्ट्स द नेचर ऑफ वैल्यूज। तो वैल्यूज क्या डिपिक्ट करता है? Prices are completely temporary and variable. Prices have a sense of augustness as to what is right and what is wrong. तो ये हमारा ऑप्शन सही होगा। वैल्यूज जो हमारे राइट और रॉन्ग के बीच में लाइक करता है। वैल्यूज डिपेंड ओनली ऑन बायोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट, नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। वैल्यूज हैव नथिंग टू डू विद सोशलाइजेशन, बिल्कुल नहीं। आर कंप्लीटली टेम्पररी एंड वेरिएबल, नहीं। तो हमारा ये ऑप्शन सही हो गया। व्हाट डज द ए कंपोनेंट रेफर्स टू के CAB एंड ABC मॉडल ऑफ एटीट्यूड। तो ये इमोशनल एंड अफेक्टिव फैक्टर्स के को दिखाता है जो CAB है। Which of the following is considered to be the primary and most basic source of development of values? तो ये है फैमिली एंड सोशलाइजेशन, प्राइमरी मोस्ट बेसिक सोर्स ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ वैल्यूज। तो फैमिली और सोशलाइजेशन हमारी वैल्यूज को डिपिक्ट करती हैं। नेक्स्ट इज एटीट्यूड इज अ क्वांटिटी ऑफ इवोल्यूशन इन फेवर और अगेंस्ट अ साइकोलॉजिकल ऑब्जेक्ट। दिस डेफिनेशन इज गिवन बाय विच साइकोलॉजिस्ट। तो थर्स्टॉन ने दिया था, हमने पढ़ा है। अकॉर्डिंग टू डैनियल कार्ड्स, which function of attitude helps a person protect their self image and hide internal conflicts? तो ईगो डिफेंसिव फंक्शन है। The theory of classical conditioning in attitude formation states that attitudes are learned by the continuous association or association between two stimuli. तो क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग हो गई। Which scholar made the first systematic use of term social control in his 1901 book in Sociology and Social Psychology? तो ये E.A. Ross। Which of the following is not an informal means of social control? तो laws made by the state, statutory law, ठीक। The primary objective of social control is to ensure which of the following? Maintaining stability, uniformity and order in social organization, ठीक है। Social control is the system of maintaining norms of equality and applying pressures. At Byrne and Ninkoff, which of the following types of control is classified by Karl Manhe? Direct and indirect control. When society gives a person a medal, award or commendation for his good social behavior, what kind of control is it called? It is called positive control. What does the theory of cultural lag propounded by W.F. Ogburn indicate? Faster advance of material culture, technology, machine, non-material culture, values and ideas. Which theory of social change assumes that society always moves in a straight line from a low level to a high complex level? तो linear और evolutionary theory. Peterium Sorokin in his theory of social change divided culture into which three categories? Sensual, conceptual and idealistic. According to Emily Durkheim, when there is a very rapid change in society and the old rules are broken but the new rules are not fully established, then what is that lawlessness called? Anomie. Which historian sociologist has explained the social transformation of civilization through challenge and response? Arnold Toynbee. Which of the following would be considered as demographic factor of social change? Changes in birth rate, mortality rate and migration. What is the main function of feedback in the communication process? To ensure to the sender that the message has reached the recipient in the correct sense. तो फीडबैक कम्युनिकेशन में ही होता है कि प्रॉपर मैसेज हमारा पहुंच गया जहां पहुंचाना है। अंडर विच पार्ट ऑफ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन is the physical distance and the manner of sitting between two people during conversation is studied? Proxemics. What is the main psychological goal of persuasive communication? Changing the attitude, belief, behavior of recipient without any pressure. According to Carl Blond Yale approach, the success of persuasion mainly depends on which four elements? Source, message, channel and audience. According to Petty and Cancioppi's elaboration likelihood model, ELM, listener thinks deeply about main argument of the message. Which path of persuasion is he following? Central route. How does Leon Fostinger's theory of cognitive dissonance help with persuasion? It creates a tension between the belief and behavior of the person to overcome which he changes his attitude. What is the basic principle of attitude inoculation theory propounded by William McGuire? Strengthening the mental defense mechanism of the person by familiarizing him the already weak opposing arguments. When a person feels that an advertisement or a message is taking away his freedom of thought, he starts doing the exact opposite of that, what is called, according to Jack Braham, psychological reactance. If a person is told in advance that someone is coming to influence him or change his attitude, what is this process called? That arouses resistance within him. Forewarning. We prefer to see and hear only those news or messages that are based on our current political or social beliefs. What is this trend called? Selective exposure. When a person expresses his public commitment to an idea or organization, what is the effect on his persuasiveness? He becomes very highly resistant to unwanted persuasion. Okay. What does the boomerang effect means in context of persuasion resistance? The effect of message on the listener contrary to Swender's wishes. According to social change theory propounded by George Homans, people continue an interaction or interrelationship unless the reward is greater than or equal to his cost, profit. What is meant by front stage? Under impression management, Erving Goffman's dramaturgical approach. तो ये है the place where the person presents a socially acceptable role or best acting in front of others. ठीक है. According to Robert Jazunak, mere exposure effect is approximately important in personal attraction is because the more times we see or come in contact with a person, the more we like him. How does the cognitive bias called the halo effect work in interpersonal attraction? He unknowingly considers physically beautiful people to be good, kind and honest by nature. What are the three main components of Robert Sternberg's triangular theory of love? Intimacy, passion and commitment. According to Eliane Wallster, equity theory, a satisfied and attractive relationship is one in which both partners get the return or reward only in proportion to the investment made by them. According to World Health Organization (WHO), which of the following dimension is not included in the complete definition of health? Extreme wealth. What does community health compare to clinical medicine? It is mainly preventive and focuses on the health of the whole group or population. Under which dimension will the role of health education officer to increase health literacy toward a disease in the community come up? Socio-behavioral pedagogical role. Effort to reduce infant mortality rate and maternal mortality rate under community health are part of the which specific subcategory? Maternal and child health. Treating mental illness is in a community as a shadow of ghost or social stigma is the biggest challenge of which dimension of community health? Community mental health. What is the role of community health in success of national health programs such as pulse polio or immunization campaigns? It ensures 100% coverage by public participation and community consciousness. What is the real nature of counseling from a psychological and professional point of view? To enable the client to understand his own problem and make the right decision on his own. Okay. Which of the following is considered to be the most basic and sacred moral condition of a consultative relationship? Maintaining confidentiality. ये आंसर हमारा सही होगा. When a student is guided to choose the right subject or career based on his intrinsic abilities and skills, what type of counseling is called? It is called educational and career counseling. What type of counseling is given to the victims immediately after a natural disaster, earthquake and flood or sudden major accident to protect them from psychological loss or shock, PTSD? We call crisis counseling. What is the main focus of non-directive counseling propounded by Carl Rogers? Consultant or client-centered. Which counseling method is used to resolve lack of communication, ideological differences and mutual dispute between husband and wife? Marriage and family counseling. According to Maharishi Patanjali, what is the basic definition of yoga, which is the basis of mental health? Yoga's chitta with nirodh, stopping the tendency of the mind. What are the first two parts of Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga which are directly related to social and personal discipline? Yam and Niyam. Yam, Niyam, Asan, प्राणायाम एंड योग, ये सारे पार्ट्स जो पतंजलि ने कहे अष्टांग योग में आता है। यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, योग। Which part of yama under Ashtanga Yoga gives mental peace by counseling the tendency of excessive material accumulation and greed in modern non-possessiveness, aparigraha? Which stress hormone levels that increase in body in a state of stress can be reduced through regular yoga and meditation? Cortisol. Pranayam, regulation of respiration, mainly activates which of the automatic nervous system and brings the mind into a relaxed and calm state? Parasympathetic nervous system. In what form has the meditation part of yoga has been adopted in health management with great popularity in modern psychology and medical science? Mindfulness. Under the biosocial model, promoting yoga for the control of diabetes type 2 in a community will improve which aspect of health? Physical, mental and lifestyle practical dimensions collectively. As a health officer, if you have to remove the superstitions which has such as treating the disease as a wrath of goddess prevalent in a village, what should be your primary strategy? Using persuasion, communication and health counseling through reliable local sources. Which of the following behaviors is an example of pro-social behavior which grows in the community through yoga and development of moral values? Helping others without any selfishness and cooperating for health welfare. If you use highly scary images, high fear appealed while crafting a health awareness message, the recipient's defensive mechanism are more likely to be activated. What factor of persuasion is it related to? Message characteristics. What should be the relationship between counselor and counselee in community health so that the right behavior changes can occur? Empathetic and non-judgmental. Next is the rule of self-study swadhyay of yoga developed within a person that psychological capacity that governs his overall health behavior is self-awareness and self-observation. Okay, तो फाइनली हम टोटल 60 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं अपने इस सोशल साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट के। तो आज हमारा ये सोशल साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट खत्म होता है। नेक्स्ट हम हिस्ट्री पे टारगेट करेंगे। सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो। हैव अ गुड डे एंड प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, फॉलो एंड शेयर and subscribe to my channel.